In a decisive move, the Commander-in-Chief has authorized the Philippine Air Force, PAF, to proceed with its ambitious Multirole Fighter, MRF, jet acquisition project. This approval marks a significant milestone in enhancing the country's aerial defense capabilities, aligning with previous hints that a budget release is imminent and an award announcement is expected later this year. Reports from within the defense sector indicate that the MRF acquisition project is progressing smoothly, with a budgetary release for the down payment of the Multirole fighter jets expected soon. While specific details regarding the budget allocation have not been disclosed, it is clear that the MRF acquisition project is a top priority for the Department of National Defense, D&D, under the Re-Horizon 3 phase. While the PAF has shown a preference for SAAB's JAS-39 Gripen E/F variant, the competition remains fierce. Lockheed Martin's F-16 Block 70/72 Viper, a favorite among global air forces, is also a strong contender. Both manufacturers have put forward compelling offers, each aiming to secure the coveted contract. SAAB's JAS-39 Gripen E/F is renowned for its versatility, advanced avionics, and cost efficiency. It has been a preferred choice for many nations looking for a reliable and modern multirole fighter. On the other hand, Lockheed Martin's F-16 Block 70/72 Viper boasts an impressive track record with cutting-edge technology and widespread usage among air forces worldwide. Its reputation for performance and reliability makes it a formidable competitor in this high-stakes bidding war. The acquisition of these advanced multirole fighters is not just about upgrading the fleet. It's a strategic move to enhance the Philippines' air defense capabilities in an increasingly volatile regional security environment. The chosen aircraft will play a crucial role in various missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. This will significantly boost the PAF's operational readiness and ability to respond to potential threats. Beyond the immediate military advantages, this acquisition project is expected to bring substantial economic and technological benefits. The introduction of state-of-the-art fighter jets will require advanced training for PAF personnel, fostering skill development and knowledge transfer. Additionally, the selected manufacturer may establish maintenance and support facilities in the Philippines, creating job opportunities and contributing to the local economy. The PAF's decision to withhold any final announcement underscores the complexity and competitiveness of the bidding process. The participating companies have sweetened their deals, making the final decision more challenging. However, the recent authorization from the highest level of command indicates that the budget release and the project award are closer than ever. The anticipation surrounding this project is palpable. Defense analysts, industry experts, and the public are keenly watching as the PAF moves towards a final decision. The outcome of this acquisition will not only define the future of the Philippine Air Force but also signal the country's commitment to strengthening its defense posture. The Re-Horizon 3 phase is part of the revised AFP modernization program, which aims to enhance the capabilities of the armed forces of the Philippines through the acquisition of advanced defense equipment and technology. The program is divided into several phases, with each phase focusing on different aspects of modernization. The current phase places a strong emphasis on acquiring multirole fighter jets, long-range surveillance systems, and advanced missile systems. The successful acquisition and integration of multirole fighters will have significant strategic implications for the Philippines. These advanced aircraft will enhance the PAF's ability to conduct air defense operations, maintain air superiority, and project power across the region. They will also provide a credible deterrent against potential adversaries, thereby contributing to regional stability and security. Stay tuned as the Philippine Air Force moves one step closer to modernizing its fleet and bolstering the nation's defense. The impending decision will mark a new chapter in the PAF's history, showcasing its dedication to achieving operational excellence and safeguarding the nation's sovereignty. The race between SAAB's JAS-39 Gripen E/F and Lockheed Martin's F-16 Block 70/72 Viper promises to be a defining moment in the evolution of the Philippines' air defense capabilities.